Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to send an encrypted PDF. And this means if you're sending a file that has sensitive or private information, we can put a password on it so the recipient has to put in the password to view the document. So first, we'll take our originals and put them into the document feeder. We'll select the email icon and select the address button to put in our email address. Then we can use a retractable keyboard that comes on every advanced series model to put in our email address. Once the email address is in, we'll select File Format in the bottom left corner and select Encryption and OK. Then select Start. Here, we will be prompted to put in our password. So we can select any word that we'd like. Then select Execute. And then we'll get confirmation that the job was sent, and when the recipient receives their email, they'll be prompted to put in the password to view the file. And that is how you send an encrypted PDF.